8 Best Vitamins for Naturally Healing Your Nerves. Nerve health is essential for overall well-being, as nerves play a vital role in transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerve damage or dysfunction can lead to a range of symptoms, including pain, numbness, tingling, and weakness. While medical treatments are available for nerve-related conditions, certain vitamins can play a significant role in naturally supporting nerve healing and regeneration. In this article, we'll explore 8 of the best vitamins for promoting nerve health and facilitating natural healing. Number 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve health as it plays a key role in the production of myelin, a protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers. Myelin helps facilitate the transmission of nerve signals and protects nerves from damage. Adequate levels of vitamin B12 are essential for maintaining nerve integrity and preventing nerve-related conditions such as peripheral neuropathy. Food sources of vitamin B12 include meat, fish, dairy products, eggs, and fortified cereals. Number 2. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters that transmit signals between nerve cells. It also plays a role in the formation of myelin and the repair of nerve tissues. Adequate intake of vitamin B6 is essential for optimal nerve function and may help alleviate symptoms of nerve-related conditions. Good dietary sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, nuts, seeds, bananas, and fortified cereals. Number 3. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine, or vitamin B1, is essential for energy metabolism and nerve function. It helps convert carbohydrates into energy that the nerves need to function properly. Thiamine deficiency can lead to nerve damage and conditions like peripheral neuropathy. Consuming foods rich in vitamin B1, such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, pork, and fortified cereals, can help support nerve health and repair. Number 4. Vitamin B9, folate. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is important for nerve health and repair. It plays a role in DNA synthesis and methylation processes that are essential for nerve cell regeneration and repair. Adequate intake of folate is necessary for maintaining optimal nerve function and preventing nerve-related disorders. Foods rich in folate include leafy green vegetables, legumes, fruits, fortified grains, and liver. Number 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for maintaining nerve health and function. It has neuroprotective properties and supports the growth and survival of nerve cells. Vitamin D deficiency has been associated with an increased risk of neurological disorders and nerve damage. Good dietary sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, fortified dairy products, eggs, and exposure to sunlight. Number 6. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. It also plays a role in nerve cell membrane integrity and nerve signal transmission. Adequate intake of vitamin E can help support nerve health and prevent nerve-related conditions. Food sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, spinach, and fortified cereals. Number 7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. It also plays a role in collagen synthesis, which is important for maintaining the structure of nerve tissues. Consuming foods rich in vitamin C can help support nerve health and repair. Good dietary sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, berries, kiwi, peppers, and leafy greens. Number 8. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that support nerve health and function. They help reduce inflammation and promote the repair of nerve tissues. Consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, can help support nerve healing and regeneration. These 8 vitamins into your diet through whole foods and supplements, if necessary, can help support nerve health and facilitate natural healing and regeneration. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. By prioritizing these vitamins in your diet, you can promote nerve health, and overall well-being naturally.